Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got a box from Zenpop.jp. Visit them and use the coupon code Ramen Raider for a discount. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. Okay. So the first thing you see when you crack open the box is a nice little thank you note. No, thank you. Next is a nice little bonus and kind of a reminder of what the world's going through right now. They've sent a face mask, which, you know, hey, never hurts to have an extra. And then you got this. This is the information sheet, the coveted information sheet. If you lose this and you don't know how to read the instructions to make instant noodles from Japan, you're going to have a really hard time with doing that. So don't lose it. All right, so I'm going to go through each one of these and give you a little info. All right, first off from Ace Cook, we've got Qiraji ginger shio. This month is a stay-home chicken feast month. We had to include another version of Qiraji ramen made with the Japan Qiraji Association. This one offers you salty soup with ginger accents. Qiraji Chicken Association. Fascinating. Next up, I don't need to read anything about this one. I know exactly what this is. This is Sapporo Ichiban shio in a bowl. The Ramen Raider logo, the background of that's actually Sapporo Ichiban shio, the pack version. The first time I reviewed it, I used that, and it ended up being the background for my logo. So, yeah. It's a salt ramen. It's tasty, savory, yummy, good. So you're going to like this. This one has extra vegetables because the other one doesn't have any. Next up from Ace Cook, we've got their chichi wonton noodle. We are excited to deliver you a truly appetizing wonton noodle this month. What's so special about it? Well, taste it yourself to witness the specially created vacuum-formed noodles with such chewy texture. Am I sitting in a notable ramen joint in Japan? You will pinch your cheek to see if you are in a dream or not. And so here is the other Qiraji ramen they were talking about. This one is Qiraji garlic shoyu. The other one was ginger shio. So this is going to be garlicky, chickeny, and a soy sauce element. This sounds good. Here's yet another Ace Cook variety. This is their Maru Uma Koibiten Soba. We want you to try this flavorful and somewhat crispy textured buckwheat noodle. Such refreshing Japanese dashi soup made from fragrant bonito along with dried sardines. Next up, we've got a shio wonton ramen from Myojo. So this is a salt ramen, and it's going to have little wontons in it. These tend to be really, really good. Definitely something most anybody would enjoy. And finally, boom, we've got some Sekai no Yamachan Yakisoba, the phantom chicken wings flavor. What is that about? Have you ever had a chicken wing in Japan? If you haven't yet, you can experience what the legendary phantom chicken wings taste like at your home this month. Sekai no Yamachan is a very popular izakaya chain restaurant in Japan. Alright, cool. So in this, the June 2020 Zenpop box, you get funky chicken, wonton shio, maru uma kobeten soba, mochichi wonton noodle, Qiraji garlic shoyu, Qiraji ginger shio, classic Sapporo Ichiban shio, a face mask, a thank you note, and your information sheet. Well, cool. Thank you to the folks over at Zenpop.jp for shooting this over. And yeah, again, go over to Zenpop.jp, use the coupon code Ramen Raider for a discount, and you are good. So yeah, thanks. And hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.